Hi guys, this is Shubham and welcome to Pure Android Tutorials. And in this tutorial we will be learning about the different states of your Android activity lifecycle. So let's create a new Android project. Select empty activity. Give name to your project. I am giving the name here activity lifecycle. So after creating the new project, this screen and lines of codes will appear. Let me tell you guys, this code in your main activity.java is the brain of your Android application. It handles everything, each and every activity, and it also used to manipulate the data. The activity name main activity is basically a subclass of a main activity class, which contains all the methods in order to run an Android application. Now, in this case, it is typed as public class main activity, extends app compact activity. So this thing right here, main activity, is inheriting some properties app compact activity, and this app compact activity is also a subclass of most important activity that contains all the methods. Now what happens that when you run your application, activity goes through a certain number of states. For example, when you run your application, this main activity enters in the first state, which called as onCreate. And onCreate is nothing but a state in which activity starts creating itself. For an example, the onCreate state is in order to set up everything for your activity like text view, buttons, etc. Now in this tutorial what we are going to see is that we are going to study all the states one by one by printing the log information to understand how activity enters in one state to another. Other than the onCreate method, we have few more methods. The second one is onStart. Third is onRestart. Fourth is onResume. Then fifth onPause. Then onStop. And the last one is onDestroy. So let us try to understand which particular sequence these things get executed. To do that, let me create a tag, which is a type of string, and I will be using it to be basically log output of the Android Studio Logcat. So private static final string tag equals main activity dot class dot get simple name. To do that, log I, which basically stands for the information. The first parameter will be the tag, and the second parameter is what you want to print the output in the logcat. Now place the code across various methods. Now let's try to run the application. And now you can see when the activity gets started, the methods that we are going to see: onCreate, onStart and onResume. And when I hit the back button, the methods that I am going to see: onPause, onStop and onDestroy. And if I run the application again, the same method will executed, that is onCreate, onStart and onResume. Then if I press the home button, now you can check the method executed only onStop and onPause. And now if I press the home button again and press the reset button and start the activity, then it will execute the method onRestart, onStart and onResume. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, give the feedback in the comment section. Take care, bye.